Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Welcome to Things We're Making Thursday. Things We're Making Thursday, Things We're Making Thursday. Things We're Making Thursday is a collab that anybody can join in. We're in our third year. This year's theme is the year of design. And what that means is we have a theme for each month, which I have listed in my description. And for that theme, you would create your own pattern for whatever fits that theme. And so if you're interested in joining in and you're a content creator, you don't have to ask for anybody's permission. Just look at what the months are, or what the themes are for each month in my description, and then start making your own videos and use the hashtag TWMT so that we can all find each other and kind of make the group grow. If you are not a content creator, but you're like, boy, I'd love to join in with this, we do have a Facebook page. I have that listed in my description as well. And you can show pictures on our Facebook page of what you've made that fits in with the theme for that month. And it's something that you've designed yourself. We're working on trying to become designers. This month, the theme for Things We're Making Thursday is bags. And bags can be whatever you want it to be. They could be like beach bags or purses or any kind of bag that you want. My thought is always of drawstring bags. I love them. I've been making them for years and years, and I finally made enough a couple years ago to put them into a book. So I have this book, Fantastic Fantasy Drawstring Bags. It's available on Amazon. I have a link to it in my description if you were interested in that. I do have video tutorials for several of them, and I'm hoping over time to be able to do a video tutorial for all of them, but I'm not there yet. I'm still in the process. I'm still working on that. So it's in my playlist, Fantastic Fantasy Drawstring Bags, if you wanted to check there. So I thought today I'd show you a few of the bags that are in that book. One of them that I love is a French fry drawstring bag. You can open it up and put treasures in there, game pieces, dice, toys, anything that you want. Stitch markers. But I like this, and it does close, so you can pull it tight so that everything stays in there nicely. I know when it's drawn tight, the French fries are all over the place, but that's okay too. You can still imagine a whole bag full of French fries there. But then when you open it up, it lays a little bit flatter. And then another one that's in the bag is a taco drawstring bag. And it opens up, and again, you can put all kinds of stuff in there, and it can close tight as well. And I have I call this one a bonus dragon head drawstring bag, because I had one that I had done, and I'll show that another week, that ended up being the most popular one that I had. And I thought there's so many different ways you could do dragons, so I did a second design of the dragon, and here's how it turned out. And I love this one. I love all the thorns. This one looks a little bit meaner than the first one. He's like, I'm a dragon. But I liked this one so much that I made a mini. I just followed the same exact pattern. There's the one on the bottom. This one has been sitting on my shelf, so it kind of got pushed in, but yeah, I made the pattern the exact same way as the written pattern for this, but I used thread yarn and teeny tiny crochet hook, and it just came out smaller. I didn't change any of the stitches or anything. It's just because of the material. And then lastly, I had somebody ask me if I could design a zombie head drawstring bag. So this was my rendition of the zombie head drawstring bag. And again, this one closes. You can seal it up tight and open it up, and there's lots of room inside for whatever you want to put in there. So thanks for watching. I hope that you will participate, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.